Hello dear friends, welcome to Languatalk. One of the best ways to learn English is to learn the vocabulary through news. So let's get started. First we are reading the news. After that we will explain new vocabulary. How China is using surveillance to tackle outbreak.
The coronavirus pandemic may have emerged in China, but the country now has fewer cases than the US, Italy, and Spain.
The Chinese government has used tools such as phone tracking to control the outbreak. Other countries are starting to look at similar technological solutions.
But how does China's controversial surveillance system work? And can state intervention on this scale be justified?
Surveillance means observation, the careful watching of a person or place. To tackle something means try to solve a problem. Outbreak, a sudden happening of something such as war or disease.
Pandemic, a disease that spreads over the world. Emerge means to appear.
Phone tracking is a process for identifying the location of a mobile phone.
Controversial means causing disagreement or discussion. Intervention, involvement in a difficult situation in order to improve it. Justify, show or prove to be a good reason.
Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you want to get the updates every time I post any video, hit that bell icons as well.